If you are not sure which accessory or kit is suitable for your Brother machine, then let me show you how you can find out quickly and easily so that you won't make a mistake and buy the wrong product. Now, the other important thing is that the availability of kits and accessories will vary from country to country or region to region. So I'm going to show you how to look at that too. And if you cannot find a specific kit or accessory for your Brother product, I'm also going to explain why you can't find it. But just before we get into the video, welcome to the Sew and Craft channel. My name is Shireen Haynes. Being creative and teaching are my passions, and I've been doing this full-time since 1993. I post easy to follow step-by-step video lessons for sewing and craft. Now, if you would like to know when I post new videos, please click on the subscribe button, the little bell notification, as well as the like button, because this helps me to spread the word that sewing and crafting are fun. Thank you. Also, click the link below this video to connect to my website for even more video lessons about sewing, craft, decor, digitizing, as well as machine lessons. Start by going to your internet browser and type in support.brother.com in the search bar. And then once you hit enter, it's going to take you straight to the support page for your country. Now, this is where you can change countries or regions, and I'm going to do that in a minute just to show you what is available in other countries. Now, because I am in South Africa, it has automatically opened the South African page. So now the next thing we want to do is go and search for our product. So we click product search, and then you go down and search by category. So I want to search for my scan and cut. So I click on scan and cut. Now, the next thing that will open is all of the available models of scan and cut that are in South Africa. So I would like to look for my SDX series, and then the next thing that I want to look for is my consumables and options that are available for my scan and cut. Now, if this is not your product, you can click on not your product and it will take you back to the main menu where you can choose your product. But for now, I am on the one that I want, so I click on consumables and options. Now, once this menu opens, you're going to find all of the consumables. In other words, all of the things that require replacing. So this is where you will find those. And then underneath the options tab, you're going to find kits, tools, and others. So obviously the kits will open up all of the available kits, and there you can see all of the kits that are available for my machine. But I also want to quickly have a look at the tools. So I click on tools at the bottom. Now it will open all of the tools that are available for my machine. Then if I click on others, these are the other premium functions that can be used on my machine. So if you're looking for something that is specifically for your machine, this is where you must look. Now, if it's not on this list, it means you cannot use it on your machine. So, for example, if I go up to the top here where it says print to cut for canvas workspace, this particular item is not available in all countries. So let me just show you an example of that. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to quickly change countries. So off I go and I click on change countries. So now I have the choice of choosing a country in Europe, or in the USA, Canada, or Latin America, or Asia, Oceania. So I'm going to go for the USA simply because there are English options there which are easy for me to demonstrate on. So if I click on the United States, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my product search. Then I'm going to look for my cutting machine. and I'm going to choose the SDX series. Now in America they have lots of different models, so the one that I'm going to just choose very quickly is the SDX 225F. So if you pretend that this is the model that I own and I live in the United States, I'm going to go to consumables and options, and then I'm going to go not to kits or tools but to others to look for the print to cut, and then I scroll through and I look at what is available. Now in the United States they have lots and lots and lots and lots of different options available. However, they do not have the print to cut. So if you live in the United States, then if you can't find the print to cut in this menu under others, it means you cannot activate that function, because in order to activate the function you need to register it on Canvas Workspace where your machine is registered. Now if you can't activate it on Canvas Workspace because it's not available for your machine and not available in your country, then it's not even worth pursuing trying to buy that function, because even if you can buy it from another country or online, you still won't be able to activate it in your country for your machine. So my advice would be not to even try and buy it from another country online, because you will be wasting your money, because you will never be able to use it in your own country. So now I'm just going to quickly go back, and then we're going to go and choose another country in Europe, for example. So I change my country over here, and I'm going to go to Europe, and also once again, just for the sake of this example, I'm going to choose a country that has English options. So I go to product search, I go to cutting machine, SDX series, and then I'm going to choose that machine there. So the next thing I'll do is go to consumables and options. I'm not looking for kits or tools at this stage, I'm looking for others, because that is where the print to cut is listed. So here I can see it is available in the UK. So in other words, you can purchase the activation code for the print to cut for Canvas Workspace, and you can quite happily use it if you live in the UK. So if you need to find out your country specifically, remember that once you type in support.brother.com, it should take you directly to your country's options. However, if it doesn't, you can easily change the country or region here, and then go and look for your product, and then go and scan through the consumables and options to see what is available in your country for your particular model of machine. Now I do also have another video where I explain how to download the support app for a mobile phone, because instead of doing all of this from your computer, you can also do it from your mobile phone, and it's very handy to know about, simply because it will mean that if you are looking for a specific item for your particular machine, you will be able to see if it is available for your machine before you actually make a mistake and purchase it and then find that you cannot use it. Now I can also do the same for the machines. So this is for any Brother product. So whether you have printers, whether you have cutting machines, or whether you have sewing and embroidery machines, you click on the category that you are looking for accessories or products for. So for example, if I click on my embroidery machines, then I can go and choose the machine that I own. So in this case, I would go to the Innovis V7. It would open it up, and here are all my consumables. So there are the embroidery accessories, the general sewing accessories, and then if I want feet for my machine, then I can click on the feet for general sewing, for embellishment, and for quilting. And please always go and check, because if you are looking for a foot that is not suitable for your machine, it will not show up on the list that's available. So then you'll know that you should not order that particular item because it will not fit your machine. But having said that, the general sewing feet fit on most of the brother machines. It's just when it comes to the very specialized feet that you must always first check. Also, as far as embroidery accessories go, if you are looking for a specific type of hoop or frame, then go and check on the list to see what is available for your machine. So that is how you can quickly find out whether a product or an accessory is suitable for your particular product and in your particular country. Now, if you would like to have access to more of my videos like this with hints, tips and techniques that are all about sewing, craft, decor and digitizing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon and the like button to help me spread the word that sewing and crafting are fun.